Ukraine's drone army chases down a lot of armored vehicles and tanks near or at the front line, with the back section being the least protected area helps increase the chance of either immobilizing or destroying the target. But with Russian troops having poor training and routines, they can even forget to close the back doors or hatches during driving, letting Ukraine's drone army to home in and explode inside the vehicle, causing much more damage and having a higher probability of destroying the vehicle, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.